Hey YouTube, how's it going? I am in my car right now. I'm about to head to Kroger to pick up a can of soup, and then I'm going to my sister's house. Today we are going to be food prepping a bunch of things. She's due to have a baby on December 4th, so she might be here early, she might be here late, but we're going to be prepared no matter when she gets here. And so I'm on my way to do that right now, and I apologize right now for my appearance. I'm a little bit sweaty. My husband and I had a busy morning picking up a new mattress and some box springs and a frame. We got a king size, so happy to have that upgrade. And we also broke down and moved out our old bed set, so that was very heavy. I'm still recuperating from that a little bit, and I'm about to have a busy day in the hot kitchen, so I didn't bother fixing my makeup or my hair or anything like that, but I hope that you enjoy getting to see our meal prep today, and I'll see you in a little bit. YouTube, it's Editing Morgan. I realized when I was going through that I hardly got any footage of the broccoli rice chicken casserole, so I just wanted to mention that to the pot of broccoli and rice we added a can of cream of chicken soup, a can of cream of mushroom soup, the chicken, and salt and pepper. Mix that together really well, spoon it out into the baking dishes, and top with a generous amount of cheddar cheese. This will be frozen exactly as is. It's got a layer of saran wrap which she'll take off, and then a layer of foil which she'll put back on before she bakes it, and she will thaw before use. Well, I am leaving my sister's house now. I'm about to go back to my house. Wow, today was very long. I think we ended up having about an 8-hour cooking session, but we got a lot of stuff done. I'll leave links to all of the recipes in the description box if you want to give any of those a try. I know everything was shot really fast. We were kind of in a hurry, and so if you've got any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below, or feel free to send me a message. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have several more projects in the works coming up pretty soon, so if you have been enjoying my videos, please give me a like so that I know to keep making content like that. And also make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I have new videos out. I'm hoping to really ramp up my production of videos, so let me know what you think, and I hope to see you back here soon.